Enugwu-Ukwu community in Njikoka Council area has set up a committee to address the growing controversies emerging among all the leadership of the community and also to regulate social media publications about the town. The formation of the 5-man committee was contained in a communique issued shortly after the end of an emergency general meeting summoned by the traditional ruler of the town, Igwe Saraf Ebe, at his palace in Enugwu-Ukwu. Correspondent Chibuzo Obidike has the details.
The meeting, which was attended by members of the different sections of the community, including the Royal Cabinet, the leadership of Enugwu-Ukwu Community Development Union, ECDU, Otuodo Eze, Otu Inyom, chairman of villages, youth leaders, and other stakeholders. The meeting deliberated on pressing issues threatening the peace of the people of the community. Speaking earlier at the meeting, Igwe Sa Ebe frowned at the damage that the social media war has on the reputation of Enugwu-Ukwu, which has been ongoing for the past 6 weeks, and recalled the place of the town and her indigents to the social and political development of Nigeria and Anambra State. The monarch revealed that the meeting was necessary due to the negative impact and backlash the social media war has on the town, to discuss the problem and initiative ways of returning Enugwu-Ukwu to its peaceful disposition.
Enugwu-Ukwu nọ ebe a. Onwere ebe a village nọ ebe a. Ọ nkata ka anyị bịa ka anyị kpaa. Ka anyị chụpụ ajọ mmụọ chọrọ ịbata ka abatara. Ajọ mmụọ chọrọ ịbata n'Enugwu-Ukwu. Ọ nọ ebe a bụ eti Enugwu-Ukwu nne m. Na ndị ahụ na-eti Enugwu-Ukwu nne m dị ka bara akpa alụ. Enugwu-Ukwu nne m dị ahụ dị Enugwu-Ukwu nne m. Meeting I don't quite quiet, lovely and friendly, peaceful. Can we come when we the Enugwu-Ukwu Igbo? We're quite close to
At the end of hours of exhaustive deliberations on various issues of concern, such as awesome leadership dispute, AEI/ECDU, dispute in the United States, Unfor market development, commercial bank in Enugu-Ukwu, poor services of EEDC in Enugu-Ukwu, amongst others, the meeting resolved an end to all commentaries on social media pertaining to the two other leadership in Enugu-Ukwu and to set up a peace, truth and reconciliation committee to kickstart discussions on resolutions of other burning issues in Enugu-Ukwu. They also resolved to invite the aggrieved other members to a meeting to bring an end to the crisis, regulate social media publications on the matter and about issues in Enugu-Ukwu, as well as sanctioning of defaulters, amongst others.